Assalamu alaikum students, how are you all? I hope that you are doing good. This video is from Montessori Senior and it is English lesson number 7. Today we are going to discuss about myself. Myself is an essay in which we tell about ourselves. Okay, so first sentence is, my name is, say here your name. For example, my name is Sarah. Now the second sentence is, I am a girl. If you are a boy, you will say, I am a boy. See, this is a girl. You will say, I am a girl. And if you are a boy, you will say, I am a boy. Okay, so the next sentence is, I am 6 years old. Now here you will say your age. If you are 3 years old, you will say, I am 3 years old. If you are 5 years old, you will say, I am 5 years old. I am 6 years old. Our next sentence is, I study in class. Now say here your class name. For example, I study in Montessori Senior. I study in Montessori Senior. Now see, this is a classroom. Our next sentence is, I live in Karachi. If you live in another city, you will say here your city name. For example, I live in Islamabad. I live in Karachi. Karachi is very beautiful. I live in Karachi. Okay students.
We will learn myself. बच्चों, myself का मतलब होता है अपना तारुफ देना. ठीक है बच्चों, तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं. बच्चों, अगर हम आपसे पूछते हैं What is your name? इसका मतलब है आपका नाम क्या है. Then you have to say My name is Saba. ठीक है बच्चों, आपका जो भी नाम है वो आपको My name is के आगे जोड़ना है. ठीक है बच्चों. Now the second question is, You are a boy or girl? अगर टीचर आपसे पूछ रहे हैं You are a boy or girl, इसका मतलब है आप बॉय है या गर्ल है. If you are a boy, then you have to say I am a boy. And if you are a girl, then you have to say I am a girl. Okay kids? Third question is, How old you are? इसका मतलब है आपकी उम्र कितनी है. Then you have to say
I am 6 years old.
Okay kids?
Fourth question is, what is your father's name?
आपके अब्बा का नाम क्या है. Then you have to say My father's name is Rizwan. आपके अब्बा का जो भी नाम है बेटा, वो आपको My father's name is इसके आगे लगाना है. ठीक है बच्चों.
Fifth question is, what is your mother's name?
आपकी अम्मी का नाम क्या है. Then you have to say My mother's name is Sana. ठीक है बच्चों, आपकी वालिदा का जो भी नाम है वो आपको My mother's name is इसके आगे लगाना है. ठीक है बच्चों. चलिए बच्चों, हम एक मरतबा रिवाइज कर लेते हैं. My name is Saba. I am a girl. I am 6 years old. My father's name is Rizwan. My mother's name is Sana.
Children, you will write these 5 lines in your English copy. You are a girl, so you will write these 5 lines. And you are a boy, so you will write these 5 lines about myself. So children, you will complete this work at home in the guidance of your parents. Thank you.